Good morning friends, I am going to tell a story named A Little Bird. Once in a forest there was a little bird who loved singing. One day a big bird heard the little bird singing. The big bird was jealous and told to small bird, Stop singing. You are very little bird. Your voice is very bad. But she did not stop singing. She practiced every day and her voice got better day by day. Few days later, a king was passing by the forest. He heard the little bird singing. He was impressed and he gave a beautiful golden crown to the bird. The bird was very happy and sang a song. Moral of the story is believe in yourself. Thank you.